Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Ads for keyword match type optimization, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Google Ads login in the address bar. Press the Enter key. On the Google Ads homepage, locate the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Google account email address. Type your email address into the designated field. Click Next to move to the password entry screen. Enter your password in the provided field. Click on the Next button to log in to your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Google Ads dashboard. To access your campaigns, click on Campaigns from the left sidebar. Select the specific campaign you want to optimize for keyword match types. Within the campaign overview, click on Keywords in the left menu. Here, you will see a list of your current keywords. To adjust the match types for a keyword, click on the checkbox next to the desired keyword. A toolbar will appear at the top of the page. Click on the pencil icon to edit the selected keyword. In the pop-up window, locate the match type drop-down menu. Choose the desired match type, broad, phrase, exact, or modified broad. After selecting the match type, click Save to apply your changes. If you need to change multiple keywords, repeat the process for each one. After you finish updating, review your changes to ensure everything is correct. Finally, monitor the performance of your keywords regularly for optimal results. Logging out of your Google Ads account is essential for security. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.